皆さん、こんにちは。Welcome to my channel. So today I'm gonna make a Japanese style pasta. You just need only few ingredients, but taste it so good. And just I wanna say the combination of soya sauce and pasta isn't as bad as you might think. I promise. So if you want to try the new taste of pasta, please give it a try. So okay, let's get started.
So okay, these are the ingredients for today. So today I'm gonna use 160 gram of pasta, 100 gram of spinach or baby spinach, 1/4 onion, 3 gram or a clove of garlic, 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil, 150 gram of minced beef or minced pork, and then these are the ingredients to season: 1.5 tablespoon cooking sake or white wine, 1.5 tablespoon of soy sauce, and 1.5 tablespoon mirin or honey. So okay, first combine all seasonings in a small bowl. So in goes soy sauce, white wine, and the last one is a honey. So and then toss to combine. So I will use it later. So okay, next I want to cut the vegetables. But before that, pour plenty of water into a pot or pan and bring to the boil. I will use it to boil the pasta. So okay, while the water is boiling, cut the spinach and onions. Cut the spinach into roughly 3 or 4 cm long pieces. If you are using the baby spinach, you can use it as is. Baby spinach is rarely available in Japanese supermarkets. So, and then please thinly slice the onion. So it's okay roughly like this. So while waiting for the water to boil, tidy up the washing up. So next, cook the pasta following packet directions. This is optional but add salt as well. This is to season the pasta and make it firmer. In Japan, according to recipe books, 1 liter of hot water and 1 teaspoon of salt is recommended for 100 gram of pasta. But dear Italians, I apologize if my explanation is incorrect. I cook my pasta for 7 minutes and then reserve the 2 tablespoons of the boiling water. So okay, I'm gonna drain off the boiled water. And at the time, it's recommended to stack plates under the colander. This allows you to serve the pasta on a warm plate so that taste lasts longer. So okay, next, pour about 1 tablespoon of vegetable oil. Heat a fry pan over medium heat and we're gonna swirl it around to coat the pan evenly. And then in goes the minced garlic. After the smell of the garlic has transferred to the oil, in goes the onion and the spinach. And this is not recommended for hygiene reasons, but I want you to hear it as just an example. When I have a small amount to fry, I gather the vegetables in half the pan and fry the minced meat in the other half. Exactly like this. It's a lazy way of doing things, but it's okay. Even so, you can still make a tasty pasta. And if you are not lazy, please add the minced meat and spinach after frying the onions. Sorry for going off topic. Season with minced meat with a pinch of salt and black pepper. After the minced meat has browned, it's mixed with the vegetables. And then add the pasta and reserve the boiled water. Then loosen the pasta a bit. And then last, add the sauce and toss well. So, okay, the Japanese style pasta is ready. So I want to serve like this, but it's too hard for the clumsy. So little finishing of ground sesame seeds. Okay, Japanese style pasta is ready. Ta-da! Have a look! It looks great, doesn't it? This pasta has an impressive flavor of soya sauce and juicy minced meat. Soya sauce isn't just for sushi. You can use it for pasta too. If you get the chance, please give it a try.
Hi, thank you for watching guys. How was the Japanese style pasta? I would be very honored if this video could help you in your taste adventure. So, if you enjoyed my video, please let me know by giving a big thumbs up and please subscribe to my YouTube channel. So, thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!